Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, and top cover. Removal. Place the top cover upside down. Lift the locking bar up on the power board ZIF connector and disconnect the power board ribbon cable from the power board. Remove the single P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power board to the top cover. Peel back the retention tape that secures the power board to the top cover. Lift the left side of the power board and pull it out to the left to remove it. If you are replacing the power board ribbon cable, note the cable routing path inside the top cover. Replacement. Slide the power board into position on the top cover. Press down on the retention tape to adhere it to the power board. Replace the single P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power board to the top cover. Insert the power board ribbon cable into its ZIF connector and press down on the locking bar to lock the cable into place.